Hi everyone, I would like to thank you all again for entering this giveaway. Before I announce the winner, I did want to say that I'm grateful to each and every one of you. Unfortunately, there is only one winner, but I hope to have many giveaways on my channel, so please stay tuned and try luck the next time. The winner of this giveaway is Feeling Supersonic. Congratulations. You have 72 hours to contact me, please. I will leave my email in the description box. I hope to hear from you. However, if I do not hear from the winner within 72 hours, then we will choose another winner. I won't make another video. I'm just going to put the name of the next winner in the description box, so please make sure that you check it out. But I definitely hope that Feeling Supersonic will see this video and contact me. Congratulations and thank you everyone once again, and please stay tuned for other giveaways. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.